Baby, how was the chemotherapy? Are you okay?
It's still really painful, but I'm okay. I guess I'm getting used to it. Oh my god, I can't believe I just said I was getting used to cancer. Am I going crazy, Theodore?
Calm down, babe. Everything is going to be okay. No matter what happens, I'll always be with you. I wish I could take all that pain away and suffer in your place.
That's sweet. I love you so much, babe. So, how's your business trip? Have you got a contract with that company?
We're still working on the price, but the situation is positive. I think I'm gonna get a good deal.
Great! I'm so happy for you. But honey, I wish you were here with me. I don't want to sound negative, but I'm at the final stage of cancer, you know? I don't have much time left. All I want now is to be with you and my family as much as possible. I miss you.
Honey, I'm trying to make it fast, so please wait for me. And don't feel so blue without me, okay? I'll be back very soon. Maybe in about 2 or 3 days.
That long? The next chemotherapy is in 3 days. Please come back before that. I want to have you by my side at the next appointment.
I promise you that I'll definitely be there for you. You must be exhausted after the chemotherapy. You should go sleep.
But I want to talk to you more. It's only 10 p.m. Don't you like to talk to me?
No, honey, that's not what I mean. Of course, I would talk to you all night. But we have to prioritize your health. Listen to me. You have to go to bed now.
Okay. I'll call you tomorrow.
Good girl. Night, babe.
Good night. Theo, this is urgent. Pick up your frickin' phone now.
What's wrong? I'm still in my meeting. I can't answer your call.
Okay, fine. Do you know what I found when I was cleaning your office this morning?
Babe, you're sick. You don't have to clean.
If I hadn't, I would have never found out about your secret.
What do you mean? What secret? I have no secret, babe.
Stop calling me babe. Stop your fake caring for me, Theodore. That makes me even sicker.
I don't understand anything. Why are you saying these things?
Because I know everything. I saw my physical examination, which I took last year. It says that I was diagnosed as having the first stage of stomach cancer. But I didn't know that I had cancer until it was at the 4th stage. So I'm asking you, did you or did you not know about my cancer in the first place?
I'm so sorry, honey. I didn't mean to hide the results from you.
Oh my goodness! What is wrong with you, Theodore? Why didn't you let me know that I had cancer then? Had I known about it earlier, I would have had more time to get suitable treatments and recover. Maybe I would even be cancer-free right now. This is unbelievable. Why did you do that, Theodore? Why?
Because I was so shocked and confused. I couldn't believe that my lovely and healthy wife had cancer.
Seriously? What? That is so ridiculous. I mean, everyone can have cancer. We can't control that, okay? We can only minimize the chance of getting it.
Also, I thought you would need chemo. For God's sake, Naomi, we all know that chemo is terrible and literally a nightmare. Whether you chose to have chemo or not, you'd still end up dying of cancer. What is the point of knowing about your disease if you already know what the ending is going to be? Babe, I wanted you to spend money and time enjoying your life rather than suffering from the pain of chemo.
What in heaven's name are you talking about? You hid the truth that I was diagnosed with stage 1 cancer in the first place just because you didn't want me to get my disease cured? Because I would die no matter what I did?
Basically, that's what I did. But I swear I was acting in your best interest. I love you.
Oh, shut up! You literally ruined my life! Don't you know that the cure rate for early stage cancer is close to 90%? Even if you don't understand this basic medical knowledge, you should go online and check it out.
You don't understand, Naomi. I was so scared. I couldn't imagine that you would have to go through all the suffering. At first, I was hesitant to tell you the truth because I was scared of losing you. And when I had the courage to tell you about your disease, it was too late. You were at the last stage of cancer, and your disease was incurable.
You were scared? Oh my god, I can't believe this. My husband wants me to die just because he's scared of chemo, which he isn't even the one going through.
Please, don't get me wrong. I'll explain everything to you when I'm back home, okay?
No! I don't want to see you! Stay away from me, you crazy bastard!
Honey, I heard about what Theodore did to you. Absolutely unforgivable.
Mom, I think I'm going crazy. I don't know what to do now. My husband wants me to die and I can't understand why.
What did he tell you?
He told me that he was scared of losing me. He thought chemo wouldn't help at all and I'd end up dying, so I was better off not having it.
That's insane! What a bastard! Who does he think he is to decide my daughter's life? I want to make him pay for this.
Me too. But I just don't want to see that a-hole ever again. I can't understand, Mom. Why did he hide my disease from me and not let me get the treatment early? He's my husband. He should have asked the doctor about my cancer instead of doing nothing. He should have been there for me.
Honey, I think I know his true motives.
Really? What are they?
I'm not sure if I should tell you about this, after all the bad things you've been through recently.
Mom, please, just tell me. I'm gonna die anytime.
Don't say that, honey. You have to be more positive.
Sorry. I'm trying to accept the truth that I don't have much time left. And I want to know everything that I'm supposed to know. What is Theodore's real reason, Mom?
Your husband has another woman.
What? Are you sure?
I ran into him kissing a woman about 3 months ago, right after you were diagnosed with cancer.
Why didn't you tell me about that?
Because Theodore promised me that he would never cheat on you again. He was so sincere that I gave him a second chance. Plus, I didn't want you to get more depressed because of Theodore and his temporary affair. I hoped you would focus only on your recovery. I'm sorry, Naomi.
No, it's not your fault. You only wanted the best for me, and I understand that. You know what? This totally cleared things up. It wasn't because he lacked knowledge about cancer, or he was afraid that I would be miserable suffering from chemo, as he said. That bastard didn't want to spend thousands of dollars curing my disease. He only wanted to save as much money as possible so that he would have more after I died. A man with a plan, huh? But I'm not gonna let him get away with this.
What are you going to do?
When they turn their backs on you, you get the chance to put the knife in.
What?
Don't worry, Mom. I won't do anything stupid. Let me handle this from here on out.
Okay, but make sure you prioritize your health, okay?
Got it.
Hey, honey. Have you calmed down yet? I'm sorry for everything, and for disappearing for the last 2 months. I was giving you space and time to calm down. I'm on my way home. Please forgive me, honey. I'm gonna do everything I can to make it up to you.
Hey, Theodore. This is Naomi's mother. My daughter passed away a week ago, so you won't have the chance to see her again.
What? My wife passed away? Why did anybody tell me?
Because she wasn't your wife anymore. My daughter filed for divorce from you, and the court approved it because of what you did to her.
That's impossible. You're lying to me.
But I'm not lying. I bet you haven't checked your emails yet because you were enjoying your holiday with your mistress, huh?
What? How do you know about my girlfriend?
Huh! I can't believe that you'd call another woman your girlfriend while talking to your mother-in-law. I have the pictures of your affair, which helped my daughter divorce you before she died.
I'm so sorry, Louisa. I still can't accept the truth that my wife died. The woman was just a friend. We're nothing.
You're such an a-hole. You planned everything to lead my daughter to death, and now you're pretending to be shocked and unhappy about her death. You didn't even dare to admit your affair. Let me tell you something, Theodore. Before passing away, my daughter had planned to take everything away from you.
What do you mean by that? What did Naomi do that I don't know yet? Wait, is it about her life insurance?
Oh, so you do know about that, huh?
Don't beat around the bush. Get to the point. What did Naomi do to her insurance before she died?
Well,
After getting a divorce from you, Naomi transferred the beneficiary from you to me, her mother. It means that you're no longer her beneficiary, and you can't receive the premium payment from the insurance company as you had planned. What? No, she can't have done that. That woman was dying. Why did she care so much about her life insurance? Because my daughter was not stupid. She wouldn't let you have everything after indirectly killing her. Who the heck do you think you are, young man? You won't ever get what you want from us. But I am her husband. I'm supposed to receive all of her property. Cut the crap. When she was on the brink of death, you weren't even at the hospital. Why on earth do you think that you would have a chance to receive the inheritance? Forget it. Oh my God. I can't believe this. After all of those miserable years living with her, she left me nothing? Really? Nope. Nada. Not even a dime. No. This can't be happening. I will appeal to the insurance company and have them change the beneficiary to my name. Pfft, you don't have the right to do that. Let it go, Theodore. I don't want to fight for property right after my daughter's death. But if you're not rational about this, I swear I'll do anything to send you to prison for what you did to my daughter. What? Are you gonna sue me for hiding her test results in the first place? Hey, I'm telling you, that will be a waste of your time, because it won't work. Actually, I asked my lawyer before I did that to make sure I wouldn't be sentenced to prison once she found out about her result. You are a monster! Oh, my poor daughter. She had the worst husband ever in the world. But thank God she's in a better place now, and doesn't have to suffer by your side anymore. Maybe I won't be able to send you to prison, but I won't let you take advantage of my daughter or her assets. Then we might have to meet at the court, because there's no way I'll let you have everything. Theodore actually contacted the insurance company to claim the benefits, which he had lost a long time ago. That bastard even sued me in court, but his application was rejected immediately because it was too absurd. My daughter had prepared so well that he couldn't find any loopholes in her documents to get back the inheritance as well as the benefits from the insurance company. When he knew there was nothing he could do, he finally gave up. I heard he moved in with that mistress and continued to mine her. Poor woman. Naomi had always wanted to have a child, and until she breathed her last, one of her last wishes was to take care of orphans. So as she had wanted, I gave 50% of her assets to charity to help orphaned children. At least I could make her last wish come true.